Liquid organic fertilizer increases plant fertility by improving soil structure to be looser, increasing nutrient absorption, macro and micro, quickly, and providing essential nutrients that are easily absorbed by roots, supporting optimal root growth, and maintaining long-term soil health naturally without harming the environment, making it an effective solution for sustainable agriculture. Main benefits of banana peel fertilizer. Source of essential nutrients. Rich in potassium, K, phosphorus, P, magnesium, Mg, calcium, Ca, protein, and other essential micronutrients for plant growth. Enhances plant growth. Strengthens stems, accelerates root growth, stimulates flowering, and promotes fruit set. Enriches soil. Increases soil fertility, improves soil structure, water retention, and encourages beneficial microbial activity. Enhances plant resilience. Helps plants become more resistant to disease, pests, and stressful conditions such as drought. Enhances harvest quality. Improves fruit quality, color, and nutrition, and extends the shelf life of harvested produce. Environmentally friendly. Utilizes kitchen waste, reduces waste, and reduces dependence on synthetic chemical fertilizers. Red onion skin is useful for plants as an organic fertilizer, botanical pesticide, and plant growth regulator, PGR, because it contains nutrients such as potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and active compounds such as acetogenin and flavonoids that encourage growth, fertilize the soil, increase pest resistance, and help flowering and fruiting, making it a natural solution for healthier and more productive plants. The main benefits of shallot skins. Organic fertilizer and soil enhancer. Rich in nutrients, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and iron, that enrich the soil, replenish nutrients, and improve soil structure as it decomposes into compost. Plant-based pesticide, anti-pest, acetogenin compounds and essential oils disrupt the digestion of pests and repel insects such as aphids and caterpillars, as well as protect against fungi. Plant growth regulators, PGRs, contains auxin and gibberellin hormones that stimulate root and shoot growth, as well as encourage flowering and fruiting. Biostimulants increase plant metabolism, photosynthesis, and nutrient uptake efficiency, making plants more vigorous and stress-resistant. Improved crop quality supports the development of better flavor, color, and aroma in vegetables and fruits. It's best to remove yellowing or dead leaves before applying liquid organic fertilizer, POC, to your plants. Here are some reasons why this is important. Disease prevention. Yellowing or dead leaves can become breeding grounds for fungi and pests. Removing them helps maintain the overall health of the plant. Effective nutrient distribution. Without diseased leaves, nutrients from liquid organic fertilizer can be absorbed more efficiently by healthy, active plant parts. How to do it. Prepare scissors or a sharp knife. Make sure the tool you use is clean, can be sterilized with alcohol, to prevent the spread of disease. Cut carefully. Cut the yellowing leaf stalk close to the main stem. Dispose of affected leaves. Dispose of cut leaves away from the plant or put them in the trash. Do not compost if you suspect disease. The right time to apply liquid organic fertilizer to plants. +9 Listen, the best time to apply liquid organic fertilizer, POC, is in the morning, 6 o'clock to 9 a.m., or afternoon, 4 o'clock to 6 p.m., when the sun is not hot and the temperature is cool, to avoid evaporation and leaf burn. Apply after watering or rain to facilitate root absorption. Apply during the vegetative growth phase, leaf, stem formation, or as needed, every 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the season and plant type. Best application time: morning, 6 o'clock to 9 a.m. Leaf stomata are open, maximal absorption. Sickness: 4 o'clock to 6 p.m., cool temperatures, high humidity, and stomata are still open. Avoid during hot sun. Risk of evaporation and leaf burn, or before rain, easily washed away. Application method and conditions: spraying, leaf, stem, optimal at cool temperatures, after watering the plant to ensure the soil is moist. Watering, roots, can be done at any time, especially during the dry season, to promote root absorption. Growth phase. Most effective during the vegetative phase, leaf, stem, and root growth. Benefits of liquid organic fertilizer in the rainy season. Soil improvement. Increases the soil's water-holding capacity and improves its structure. Quick nutrient. Nutrients are more easily absorbed by roots and leaves. Microorganisms. Supports soil microbes that are beneficial for fertility. Resilience. Increases plant resistance to disease. Applying liquid organic fertilizer, POC, during the rainy season is very effective because it helps improve soil structure, increases soil microorganism activity, increases moisture, and provides nutrients that are more easily absorbed by plants than solid fertilizers, especially if applied during cloudy weather or after the rain has stopped, not during heavy rain, by watering or spraying, and at the right dosage, e.g. 100 to 200 L per hectare for rice, or adjusted to product instructions. Correct application method. Timing. Apply during cloudy weather or after rain has subsided, morning, evening. Avoid heavy rain to prevent runoff. Method. Can be poured directly onto the soil or sprayed onto leaves. Foliar spraying. Dosage. Follow product instructions, generally diluted with water, e.g. 100 to 200 L per hectare for rice. Frequency. Adjust to plant needs, maybe every 5 to 10 days or more, depending on plant type and growth phase. Signs of healthy plants after using homemade botanical pesticides include reduced pest, disease attacks, no more holes, spots, or rot symptoms, faster new leaf growth, sturdier stems, and fresh, shiny green leaves. This indicates the plant is refocusing on nutrition rather than fighting pests. Botanical pesticides work by disrupting the appetite or development of insects, rather than directly fertilizing them like fertilizers, so the results are gradual but healthier, naturally. Positive signs in plants. Fresher green leaves. The leaves become brighter and healthier, indicating photosynthesis is proceeding smoothly and without interruption. Normal new growth. More shoots and young leaves emerge and grow faster. Intact and clean leaves. No more holes from eating, fungal spots, or other signs of pest infestation. Less pests. The number of pest insects, caterpillars, aphids, etc., appears to be significantly reduced or even eliminated. Flower and fruit development. If the plant bears fruit, flowers, its development will be better and more uniform.